So I've always wanted to make something to clean your window. You know, your front windshield that's really hard to get. So this is it. So let's see how it works. So I purchased everything there for a little over $4 and change. I had the flat piece with the swivel, the pole, the chamois, which I cut, and then that gray piece I didn't end up using because I used the chamois, which worked out really well. I added a spar stick grip. Cut the handle to a good length. Some water on the window. Yeah, I'm gonna take my $5 product that I made. There you go. Because normally you gotta bend your hand, turn it around, almost break it. You know, your hand looks like Colin McGregor's ankle by the time you get done trying to wash your window. There you go. Oh man, that came out super good. That was super easy. All right, so that's my $5 product. Just go to a Dollar Tree, buy all that stuff and cut it up, and man, that worked out good.